Hi, I'm Jake, and today I'm going to be showing you how to quickly set up a stream. First off, get anything you think you might need, like a PC, a webcam, and the internet. Those are the vitals. So first off, get yourself on twitch.tv and make an account. This is made very easy with login with Facebook. All of the problems are removed that way. So as soon as you're on, you want to navigate to the top right, where that little drop down arrow is, and you want to click dashboard. Once you're here, give your stream a title and choose an appropriate category for what you're going to stream. Once that's all done, click update information. So then next we need to get our stream key, so click settings. Next you want to scroll down till you find stream key. So you want to click that and get your stream key. I'm not going to reveal mine because everyone is personal. Now that we've finished with Twitch, we can move on to downloading the software. So, the obvious choice is OBS, that's Open Broadcasting Software. It's totally free and does everything we need. So go ahead and download that for your operating system. Once you've downloaded OBS, open it up and you'll be prompted with the auto configuration wizard. So follow the steps through here. I'm going to choose best optimized for streaming. Then you choose your frame rate, I'm going with 60. This is where you put that stream key that we copied from Twitch. So paste that in here. And there you go. That will take care of all of your problems and that's going to sort out all your settings for you. So now that that's all done, you click apply settings. And now we want to add our webcam to our scene. Down in the bottom left we've got our scene. So scene 1 is what we're going to be broadcasting. On the right is our elements of our stream. So click the plus. Then you want to choose video capture device. Select OK. So this is where we select our webcam that I pointed out earlier. And there you have it, we've got our output from our webcam. So scale that to the window. And click start streaming. And there you go, you're streaming live to the internet. You also want to add audio. So click that plus once again. Audio input. And then choose your microphone. Our webcam has one built in. Once that's selected, you now have audio on your stream. And there you have it. You're now broadcasting live on the internet. So find us next time where I show you how to add overlays and more technicalities to your stream. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.